What's up everyone, and welcome to our new channel, Shotgun Engineering. I'm Keegan.
And I'm Joe. In this channel, we both love tinkering with ideas and building cool stuff, so we want to share some of that spirit with you guys. We'll be sharing our ideas, our design process, and hopefully the final products of what we're building.
We hope you like our videos and subscribe.
Alright, thank you guys.
Thanks.
Remember, doing dumb things intelligently does not make them intelligent. Always wear your safety equipment.